Consider the following in respect to prime number P and composite number C. So again, I am again telling you that you have to be thorough with the concepts of what is prime number, what is composite number, what is natural number, the concepts of odd number, even number. So these type of things are actually the UPSC is repeating these things, okay, in many questions. So that is actually very important. So now in this type of question, what you need to do, just assume some prime number and composite number and just put it to these statements and check whether the given statements are correct or not. And here one thing is that it is saying can be. So even if it satisfies in one condition, this statement is going to be correct, because can be is a possibility. So possibility means even if it is correct in one of the condition, you can take it as a possibility. And if the statement is like 2p plus c is definitely odd, then it has to be satisfied in all the conditions. Okay, so now let us assume some values for p and c. So it is said that p is a prime number and c is a composite number. So if for example, let's assume p is equal to 2 and c is equal to, let's say, 9. Okay, so p 2 is a prime number and 9 is a composite number. So if I take the option 2, 2p plus c, 2p is 4, 4 plus 9 is 13, it can be odd. So 2 is correct. Now second statement, let's take the third statement now. I am assuming p as 3. Okay, p as 3 means 3 is a prime number and c is 9. Now p into c is 3 into 9 is 27, it's an odd number, so pc can be odd. So that is also correct. Now we have the first option. So I am taking p is equal to 11. 11 is a prime number and c is equal to 9. So p plus c is equal to 20 and p minus c is equal to 11 minus 9 is equal to 2. So 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. 10 is an even number. So 1 is also correct. So all the statements are correct. So option D is the right answer.